Top 8 criminology schools in the Philippines based on the licensure CLE examination of December 2022 plus a complete job guide. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai ng Ilocano Defenders. So, coming in at number 8 would be University of Southern Mindanao at Cabacan with a passing rate of 81.13%. Ang kanilang tuition fee ay nag-range from 8 to 22,000 and above per year. Number 7 is King's College of the Philippines, Bambang with a passing rate of 82%. And coming in at number 6 would be University of the Cordilleras with a passing rate of 84.62% with a tuition fee of 15 to 55,000 and above per trimester. So, 3 semesters. So, ibig sabihin yan sa isang taon. Number 5 would be Laguna State Polytechnic University with a passing rate of 86.30% with a tuition fee of 12 to 14,000 per year. Number 4 is King's College of the Philippines, Benguet with a passing rate of 87.5%. Number 3 would be University of Iloilo with a passing rate of 92.54% with a tuition fee of 30 to 34,000 and above per year. Number 2 would be Cavite State University with a passing rate of 95.7% with a tuition fee of 18 to 20,000 pesos and above per year. Number 1 would be Tarlac State University. Ang kanilang passing rate ay nasa 100%, no? So, ang ating job guide naman para sa mga fresh board passers, depende sa posisyon, no? So, iba't ibang kumpanya at iba't ibang posisyon, iba-ibang salary rate, no? So, not necessarily fresh board passer ka, may iba may experience na, pero isa-isahin natin ang mga different positions for fresh board passers and pati yung mga may konting experience na. First would be LM-Tronics Incorporated. Ang posisyon ay Incident Response Investigator. Ang kanilang salary ay nasa 20 to 30,000 pesos and above per month. Spark Properties and Realty Corporation na may posisyon na Investigator. Meron silang salary range of 20 to 25,000 pesos and above per month. MOA Cloud Zone Corp na position ay Investigator ay may salary range of 20 to 23,000 pesos and above per month. And Team Global Facility Solutions Inc. na may posisyon na Operations Officer ay may salary range na 16 to 18,000 pesos and above per month. And Dongwang Clark Corporation na may position of Protection Agent ay may salary range of 30 to 35,000 pesos per month. De La Salle College of St. Benilde Discipline Officer or DO, yung mga nagdidisiplina sa mga bata ay may salary range na 16 to 18,000 pesos and above per month. Parole and Probation Administration for Probation Officer Level 2 ay may salary range of 35,000 pesos and above per month. So, ibig sabihin ng level 2, may experience na tong position na to at medyo hindi na pang fresh board passer to mga to. And Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Fishing Regulation Officer 2. So, ang salary range yan ay nasa 37,000 pesos per month. So, pag sinasabing 2, ibig sabihin medyo may konting or may experience na ang mga positions required ng mga candidates required na hinahanap ng position na ito. Next is Company Confidential na Security Officer position ay may salary range of 22 to 25,000 pesos and above per month. Next is Landers Superstore. Ang kanilang Security Supervisor ay may salary range of 25,000 pesos and above per month. And next is Commander Security Services Inc. Inspector doon ay may salary range of 17 to 18,000 pesos per month. And ito, pag medyo may experience ka na talaga at talagang handa ka ng sa isang mas maganda at mas mataas na trabaho, sa AMA Education System is looking for college deans with a salary range of 45 to 50,000 pesos per month. And this comes with a lot of experience no, na pwede mong maibahagi sa kanilang educational system. So, yun ho ang mga job guide na pwedeng pasukan ng mga criminology na hindi lang nalimitado sa mga kumpanyang nabanggit dito, pero ito yung mga example na pwede niyong pasukan. So muli, ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai, ang inyong coach ng Bayan.